Grease down the drains is a big, costly problem.
You can help cease the grease by disposing of it properly. Just as easily as you can bring cardboard boxes and styrofoam to recycle at Frisco's Environmental Collection Center, you can bring your used cooking oil.
So what we're trying to do here is we're trying to make sure that people aren't disposing of grease or any food waste really down their drains. And instead, if you bring your grease here, we can get it recycled. We actually work with a company that turns it into biofuels.
It's something to keep in mind while cooking over the holiday season.
For the liquid oils, it's best to put them into a container, drive them over here, and then dump them out here, and you can dispose of your containers here as well. But for the small quantities or the solid greases, please just scrape them out and put them in your regular household trash.
Putting cooking oil down your household drain could lead to costly repairs for you or the city.
If you think about like the temperature of the oil going in, you might think that it's not a big deal because it's hot and it's just going to flush down, but about 10 feet away from your house, that's where it's going to get colder and it's going to solidify, and so that can cause you really expensive sewer repairs.
Right now, Frisco residents drop off enough cooking oil to fill the storage tank every month. Environmental Services hopes more people who live and work in Frisco will take advantage of this service.